I put some little gazebos up. Little work spots. There's a little one there. Hi. Just finished this one now. I just started it just a little while ago. It's like so great. It's my little chi hut. I did it bohemian style, boho. This is a bed frame. This is just my normal gazebo that I used to take to my setups when I did farmers markets. So I beefed it up. That is a headboard. Over here is the footboard. Some bohemian curtains. Got my little fire going. So there's that one. Just finished that. It's really cute. I want you to see my archway through here. You guys have never seen my archway yet. Is that magical? It's a grapevine that grows all over it. So magical. Hear the birds. Little garden. Get some gardens going there. Okay. So it's one little hut. And I put this other one in. Or in my garden. It was like at my drying area to dry all my herbs and cut everything up. My rhubarb, people have been coming to get it. That's great. It's going down. Still get an abundance of rhubarb. So everything's growing in here. It looks so nice. So I got this little gazebo. This is where my garden is. So I'll work in here. I got these torches going. No mosquitoes at all. This is a cute little spot. Do my gardening. Listen to those birds. So in a couple months, we'll have all kinds of goodies. Right now it's just a start. And there's this little spot in here, which is really cozy for me to wash all my herbs and things. I just use this little pool to wash them in. This is another little sitting area to work in. I'll show you how mature all the plants are. I just moved here and all these different things are like popping up. So much beautiful plants here. Hi. I'll go from here. So beautiful. They're so beautiful, all of them. That's my grapevine. Okay, look at them. So great. And there's all these built-in rock walls. My battery's low. I hope it doesn't die. Look at these. So beautiful. Another grapevine growing. I'll have grapes. The phlox are done. That was all pink. Yeah. with this beautiful little tree. All kinds of boogle. Love my life.